I had such a great day on foot in Valencia yesterday. I absolutely fell in love with the city. So I've decided to spend another day here. I'm just going to go 20 kilometres this afternoon, camp near the lagoon, so I can enjoy another day in this gorgeous city. ¿Estas son de España?
Esta es española, esa es griega.
Los de España.
¿España quieres?
Sí, solo un poco.
Un poquito.
Un poquito, gracias. Oh, yeah.
And there's so many different kinds.
Yeah. No judgment.
No.
Este está muy bueno, sí. Sí. Vale.
Desde hace 1000 años, aquí se reúne el tribunal de justicia más antiguo de Europa. Vamos a entender esto, ¿vale? Para...
The cathedral next door you have to pay for, but this church is free. Hola. Typical Valencia paella is not seafood. This one is chicken and green beans and broad beans.
Che fa questa ristrutturazione. Alla fa la sua bella ripresa. Passiamo da sotto così non disturbiamo.
Oh, lo siento. I love these so much. I ate them in Brazil as often as I could, where they're called powder queijo, and they're sort of glutinous, cheesy bread. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it so much. Exactly the same as I remember from Brazil, but here I'm enjoying it next to a tourist go-home sticker. I'm leaving today, but not home. It's quite a bit busier in the city today than yesterday on the public holiday, I think, so it's time to decompress in the gardens. Based on the fact I'm in here, you can probably work out that the Museo de Bellas Artes is free. Hello. Famous sunset spot, I believe, but I think I'm out of luck today. Hola. Hola. Here's my home for the night then. I didn't pitch up on the beach, tempting as it is for sunrise, because the wind is from the east. It does look quite open here, but the path is actually concealed over there, so hopefully it's a nice spot if the weather holds off. I should have got a Valencian wine, of course, but this one is from Alicante. I've also got some local olives, quince paste, Spanish cheese, of which I don't remember the name. Very nice. Cheers then from the beach, almost.